Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed about a most important topic. The name of the topic was debate writing. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the words criteria of debate writing, grammatical accuracy of debate writing, and many more facts about debate writing. In previous lecture, we have also discussed the main and most important facts of debate writing. In today class, in today lecture, we will discuss about the beginning of the debate writing and the ending of the debate writing. How we can start any debate and how we can complete a debate. All the things that we will discuss in this lecture. And we also just discuss the accurate format of debate writing. This topic is class for 11th and 12th. I request to all the students, please pay attention. Now, format of debate writing. In the outline, in the outline of any debate, outline या verbal input, you have a topic, you have a topic that you will write about debate on your answer sheet according to the verbal input. In the verbal input, title also given, name of the student also given, and words of a debate also given. You first see the outline of the debate very actively, and after that you try to attempt any debate. That you have title, for example, you can write any debate in either of. It means you can write in favor of or against of, against of and in favor of. That the topic of the debate also given in a way of dispute, in a way of argumentative, that you also can share your ideas in favor of या in against of, for the motion of, against the motion of. That the title of, for example, classroom study, classroom study vs internet study, internet study. Suppose this is the title of your debate. That this is also argumentative title, because some students believe that classroom study is better than internet study. They believe that classroom study is a good means of study, a good way of study. In this way, that they can learn, they can get each and every point in a good way. But some students that really believe in internet study. That's why this is also a point of the argument. So as student wish, they can give their response in favor of or in against of. But you just mind only you choose one side for in favor या in against of. This is not necessary that you can write in the both side in the same question. This will be totally wrong. You only choose in favor of या in against of. Just see. This is the title of our debate, that we also write down the title, classroom study versus internet study. Internet study. This is the title of your debate, and the title will be written in the capital letters. In the outline, that the outline may be form of, for example, you are Aman Amita, you are Manav Muskan, student of 12th class, Suraj School, Mahendragarh. You have been asked to write a debate, not to deliver, not to attempt any debate. You have to write a debate in on the topic of classroom study vs internet study. It means you can choose what side you can write. After that, for example, if you choose, you write in favor of the title. It means you also give all the advantage, all the characteristics of the classroom study, that you also give all these things that relevance to. For example, for the motion, it means you are also going to write in favor of the title, that you also believe that you also give your idea in favor of. For example, if there is any other title, for example, internet is good means of study, means of study. I change this title slightly. For example, I change this title in this way. You have been asked to write a debate in favor of, in against of. First, you write down the title in the capital letters. If you believe that internet is a good medium for the study, good means of the study, it means that you also write, you also give all the points that in favor of this title. If you are not agreed in this title, you also write against the motion. Suppose you are in favor of, then you give space for the motion, for the motion. Then again space. Good morning everyone. This is the line of your answer sheet. Good morning everyone. Everyone. Full stop. Esteemed judges. Esteemed judges. Honorable guest. Honorable guest. Respected teachers. Respected teachers and my fellow students. Fellow students. If you have given a name in the outline, suppose for the boy students Manav and girl students for Muskan, then you also give the name. Both names will be given in the outline. Outline या verbal input. Verbal input. Then you write I, Muskan, feel honored to to have the opportunity to speak for the motion on the topic. That topic will be same here. Internet is good means of study. Students, in this way that you will start your debate. You will start your debate in this way, and this is the accuracy of the debate writing. After that, some students can slightly change of the words, that good morning everyone. In this way, at the point that you also can write honorable judges, respected chairman, honorable chairman, and jury members, all my dear friends and opponents, I would like to deliver my views on the topic in favor of in Angestop. After that, you also give the introductory words of your debate. You also explain the title of the debate. First, you explain in the first paragraph. After that, then you also put your components of the title. In the last, you also conclude your debate, and at last, in complimentary words, that you also write thanks for your patience. In this way, that you can write in favor of. In the next lecture, we will discuss about in against of. Thanks and have a nice day.